Becoming aware of what toothpaste on a cake is. Wow, 3 para agad. Sumihirap to. Becoming aware of what toothpaste on a cake is. Toothpaste on a cake. Pwedeng containing ba? Aware. Anagram, aware. Uh, Wait lang, parang wala talagang indicator dito. Wait, check ko nga. Wait. Oh, show definition 1. Okay, so double definition ito. So I think yung first definition is becoming aware of what? I'm not sure. Tapos ang next is toothpaste on a cake is. Okay, so becoming aware. So parang nagsa-substitution na lang ako dito. Kung becoming aware, realize. 8 letters, realize. Realizing. Kulang. Realize. Aware. You are aware. Ano bang another word? Kapag aware ka. Becoming aware. Notice. Di ba pag aware ka, you notice something. Parang ganon. Notice. Noticing. Para lang makumpleto, no? Okay, noticing. Check. Lah. Okay, so tamang noticing. So, anong connect sa toothpaste on a cake? Galing. Not icing. Pwede mo i-separate yung noticing into 2 words. Not icing. Kasi di ba icing naman yung nilalagay dapat sa cake. Pero toothpaste, so hindi siya icing. Not icing. Bye.